Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, interesting. This one is going to be ahead of schedule. Something I'm going to do later on the day. I'm going to put some stickers on the door. Stay tuned for that. But those stickers are very important. It's an awareness for a lot of people. Something is being done in the background at the moment. So it is started. If you follow on TikTok, No Drama Carl, you know what it's about already. So we are going live on TikTok, fingers crossed, while we are doing my YouTube videos as well. So hopefully, fingers crossed, later on this video, please stay tuned. It's very important. A lot of people find out what it is. And I can support this. So stay tuned. We're going to leave the trailer park. It's early morning already. We did starting early, so we got full load all the way to Speak. That's where we are going today. Yeah? We've been there, it's been on the channel. We've been there a couple times. Because this is coming ahead of schedule, you haven't seen the other videos yet. Stay tuned. Hopefully the person that is doing this is watching. Let me know. Hopefully he's watching. Let's crack on with the day. It's Foot Down Friday. Weekend is just around the corner. So I have no seatbelt in case you say, oh, you're not wearing seat. Yes, not yet. I'm still on private land. The gate is still closed. It's not open to public, so it's private grounds. But I'm going to stop quickly in the front of the warehouse. Oh. So I can grab the rest of my paperwork that I need for today, if they print it in the office. Hope so. If not, I got the other bit and then we carry on. So, and it's a beautiful morning. Look at the sunrise. That is the pictures I need. We got our eyes in the sky, but not in the air today. I'm trying to figure out a few things still. So, I'm going to stop here quickly. I'm going inside and grab something. I'll come back in a second. Right, no paperwork. Should we go much further ahead? Because I love to. No, let's go much further ahead. That sunrise, it is good. Right. I won't put the seatbelt yet because I want to get that sunrise. Trying to pick the right spot. I know it's a bit annoying, the noise coming from I think it'll be around here. Right. Back in a second. Yeah. Back in a second. got the pictures. Yeah, you can't beat that. Look at that. Right, seatbelt now. We are going to the main road. Oh, by the way, I forgot to put on the sat nav because there was a problem on the A14. Pretty sure that's where we're going, yeah? Right. There. Right. Are we cracking on now? Right. Oh, I forgot to take another picture. I was going to take another picture. That's fine. That's fine. Right. So, Sunrise is behind us now. Oh, he's on that side.
You arrive at your destination at 9:45.
Oh. Okay, yeah. It's telling us to go back. Why is the reason? Yeah. I'm just trying to see. I know there was a problem near 14 yesterday. We need to go through the. Oh, we don't. The place that was a problem, there was a fire. I don't know if we can get through that area because they're close. They have to resurface. I'm just wondering if it's open or not, that area. It's essential today, yeah. From Cambridge, where our place in Cambridge, to speak, it's 4 hours. A little bit on a lorry. Car is quick. On a lorry, it is a little bit. And our booking time is for 10. It's okay if we arrive a little bit, a couple of minutes late, but it's not a problem. But I don't like being late. I hate being late. So I'm trying to see if I spot one of our trunkers. I think he's still out. This guy's still in the yard. His lorry was not back. So let's see. I'm going to crack on. I need to check. I might make a call to him. So I'll see you more up the road. We had a problem. A14 is still close, so we had to come all the way from Huntingdon to Peterborough to pick the road that takes you back to A14. Bit of pain in. He removed quite a bit of my driving time today, yeah. So I know today's Friday. There's a thing that we said between drive foot down Friday. This is going to be more than foot down Friday today, yeah. It's going to be Red Bull for a Friday. We need to fly today, yeah. And I'm known for that in the office. I fly. So yeah, so I definitely have to be more. I mean, I can't go much down the knees. The pedal's right down to the bottom already. But that's right. It is what it is. Part of driving on the road, you know, road closures. I thought you would be open. I took the gamble. I took the gamble to go that way. But got there and they said road closure and everyone was queuing. Everyone thinking that it's going to open. Maybe a lot of people that was in there, they're receiving news from other drivers that it would be open at one point. I had the same thing. I made a call. They said they're just packing up. But between when I was to that spot, it was like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So my gamble was in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it would have been done. They will open. They didn't. It was close. So the gamble today did not pay off on my side. I was not lucky. Maybe now going this way, the diversion, when I get to the A14, they will reopen. I don't know. I could have sit there in queue, but it's time. It's wasting my time. So if I didn't took the gamble, if I went by my instincts, I would be here already on this spot, on this road 20 minutes ago already. But hey ho, it's life. It means, fingers crossed, I don't get any hold-ups the rest of the way. We'll see. It's Friday, so I'll catch you guys much later in a day. Well, I say in a day, yeah. When we get to speak to our delivery point. I'll see you in a bit. Hi! You join me back? We are the outskirts of Liverpool speak at the moment. That's where we got our delivery. So that's where we're going to our delivery. We are a mile away already, so we did stop already for diesel and brake, so we don't need diesel today. We still need another brake at some point. That car went on red, so we still need we still need to stop, so that is for another later on. Right, so our turn is there on the right, so we stay on this lane because we're turning right. Let's slow down, you don't need to be accelerating that much. at these traffic lights. I don't think we get on this on the first green. So now it's green. Don't think we'll get on this one. Don't think so. Or do you think we'll be the next one? I think we'll be the next one. Oh, blue. No, wow, I was wrong. I was wrong. It's still green. Surprising. I'm really surprised that it is green. Wow. Wow. So I'm going left here. Another place. Some we do on a regular basis. So bumps. On this one we need to go slower. If not, I will be jumping my seat. Where is the vision coming out? And our place will be just ahead. The building ahead. So that is our place. So we're going in, do a U-E, park up somewhere in the middle of those lanes, ask them which lane we're going to be, and then there's one of the boys. Reversing, trying to see where he's going. Where are you going, man? Where are you going? I know he's going down there, I presume. Hopefully when we do the lives today, there will be some lives today. The sun is right on top of us. The sun is there. So hopefully it is not that bad. Declared. Okay. Get IVs. Get the IVs. I'm going to knock on the door. Then I will see which bay they want us. So that's the paper. So I'll see you in a bit. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, or on TikTok as well. We got something special to put on the door today. I got a sticker from Cave Nation, the teddy bear in there. We're going to put this one on there. And then we're going to put this one on. It says Scania. Things are flying here. Things does say Scania. There you go. And the other one, I think it's the right way, if you can read it. So, is awareness for the colitis, ulcerative colitis. So and of course I got e-sticker as well. We got the big one, so that will stay on. We're going to put this one on. So let's put this one. I was going to put there, but I decided to put the sticker there. So we might go in a different spot to that where we can see it. So I'm going to figure out which spots will be. So I'll come back in a minute. We found the spot for the first one. We're going to take it out. So we have to take it really careful. It's not my first rodeo doing these. I do quite a lot for my colleagues. So because the sun is there, I can't see it properly. So I have to hide away. There's a bit wind as well, so I have to make sure that I'm hiding as well. So give me a minute so to remove. So yeah, I was going to do a live, but I'm sweating already. So I want to do these quicker. Yeah, it's too hot already. So I've got the first bit out already. So, mate, you right?
Yeah. What do you see around here?
Oh, just go on that door in there.
Nice one.
So, it's there. The other one, the Scania one. Sticky, yeah, stick there. Stay there. I got the spot. Try and close the door. I think I'll put you more at the back. I don't know if you can see it. There. There you go. So the next one, I was going to save this one for now. I want to save somewhere special. It goes to a different place. So it's there. I'm going to remove the I can remove now. There we go. that looks good. Coming with the other one as well. They look good, so it's there. The other one will be there. And if you go around here, it's there. So don't forget, give us a follow, give a Cave Nation a follow, and I'll tag. There's a calling bearer as well to be followed. So I'll see you on the next one. Ciao ciao for now. Right, we're back since after 4 hours or 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours since we left that place. I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget, go and give it a follow. Give us a follow to us. I wanted to say give it a follow as well to Cave Nation. Give a follow to Colin Bear, and of course as well the other drivers that help in these, of course. No Drama Carl, go and give it a follow. HH as well, go and give them a follow. Give us a subscribe as well here. All these follows, please go on TikTok, give them a follow now, please. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao ciao for now.